Kimola, Otomo.
Odogu Bubu.
How are you?
Bubu, I finished packing my bag. I'm coming to your house now. Hey.
Because I'm preparing to go for market. It will be next weekend. I'm rushing.
Odogu Bubu, no,
Market is
now.
more important than all these things you're doing.
Odogu Bubu, don't do this to me now. Hey, see what I'm coming with. Oh, hey, don't look at what I'm coming to your house with. Ah, I must come to your house. So.
Kimola, let me go to the market for now, Kimola.
Odogu Bubu, see, today's school is going to be fire. See, now I'm coming to your house. So.
Kimola. You know I cannot say no to you, Kimola. See, wait. Let me come to this.
Hey, okay.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
I will not be coming to the shop today.
Okay, yeah.
I'm feeling sick.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry,
Stay
sir.
sick. Well, you close the shop and come back.
Sir. But Oga Ben Cotonou is here.
Onye?
Oga Ben Cotonou, sir.
Ben Cotonou?
Yes, sir.
Ben!
Yes, sir. It's in the shop now.
On the shop now.
Yes, and he said he will not buy anything until he sees
That he
it.
will not buy anything except he sees me.
Yes, sir.
I'm coming. Anamabia.
I thought you were sick, sir.
Don't worry. I'm not sick. Anamabia. I'm coming. I'm coming now to the shop. Anamabia.
Okay.
I'm coming now. I'm coming. Kimola.
Odogu Bubu, see, oh.
Kimola, you got letter, Kimola. Come next weekend.
I want to lose all these things because of your show.
Carry this your bless and go. This your bless will not give me 500,000 this morning. Carry it next weekend. They next weekend.